Sometimes, when we're faced with an important decision, like what kind of ice cream to choose on a hot summer day, the pressure can build and build. With so many options available and the clock ticking, it's easy to become flustered and overwhelmed by the situation. And when that happens, we can make decisions that we ultimately regret. So, are you the type of person who knows what they want? Or do you struggle to decide? It's a question that some entrepreneurs ask themselves almost every day. After all, running a successful business is all about making decisions, like which products to sell, how much to sell them for, and where to sell them. While some entrepreneurs are able to make those decisions instinctively without fear or hesitation, others can struggle. But indecisiveness and wasting time can often be the difference between success and failure. So, how can you start to make strategic decisions right off the bat with the confidence and assurance you need to launch and grow a successful business? Before you make any important decisions, first, you need to have a clear vision of what you want your business to be. Let's imagine you want to open a store where people can sell their secondhand clothes and you take a cut. Write it down on a piece of paper and stick it to the wall so that every day you are reminded of your ultimate goal. With this clear vision in mind, making some decisions will become much easier. There are other ways you can be sure you're making important decisions with confidence and assurance. Now that you're clear about what you want your business to be, you need to decide what your business should be called. You could approach the decision by conducting some market research. Start by going online to see what directions similar businesses have taken. Maybe you could follow their lead. Draw up a list of potential names that you think will work, but make sure they're original to avoid having to change the name further down the line. Another way to approach a decision is to get opinions from friends and family, especially if they're your expected customer demographic. You know what they say, 2 heads are better than 1, and 5 heads are better still. Making decisions is always easier when you get the thoughts and opinions of those you know and trust. And who knows, they could chime in with a better opinion. This will help you to whittle down your choices until you arrive at your final decision. Now that you've decided on the name of your company, there are other decisions to make, like the domain name of your website. How do you decide which is best? You could reach out to experts and make use of their experience and knowledge to make a great decision. Website designers and other business owners have experience of what website names work and what website names really don't. You may have to pay for their expertise, but sometimes that outlay is worth it because it can ultimately benefit your business by pulling in more online traffic. Finally, ask yourself a few key questions about the decisions you're facing that affect your business. Like, how will this decision affect the costs, revenues, and profits that my business generates? Does this decision align with my company values? What are the best and worst case scenarios for each option? And am I the best person to make this decision? As your business grows, you may begin to employ more people. You can make use of their expertise by delegating decisions. Questions like these provide a great framework to start. Time to choose a location for your next big thing. Write down 3 ways you could use any of these techniques to help you make the decision. Know your vision, do some market research, ask for opinions, hire an expert, and review the situation and the ramifications of that decision.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at ClickView.net. Sign up for free today.